Oh, sorry.
Eye clinic.
So this is, yeah, man. Well done, ladies. Well done.
This picture.
Yeah.
Solid food. Don't joke with Igbo food.
Okay. Abacha is that way.
Hello. How are you, ladies? Well done. You are doing a good work. Hard work you are doing here. I appreciate it.
Once they don't reach half,
Yeah.
let me know. I'll bring the next table.
Once
They don't reach half.
yes.
Like once they don't reach half, let me know. I'll bring the next table.
Okay.
Yeah. Only enough food.
Okay.
Everything is food. I'll just ship up. And I wash my hands first.
Hammer food, my brother. Not that. Huh? Spoon?
I mean, wash hand.
Wash your hand. No checking.
I forgot every day serve. When they stressing for this CQ.
My sister, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Long time. Welcome, my sister. You're welcome.
Okay, later.
Where can I? Oh, so even about from banquet, you know, body. Eh? Oh, hey, from mom. Okay, they make a video. I may say hello. How I say? I say hello. Obono is saying hello, Gamma. Let's put that one. Really? You got a Rapuziano? Rapuziano? Oh, well, live in the Bawa. Obuna, market up there.
This one is right.
They just break the line. You know, they just start to rise, everybody just rush the table. Let's do what I should let.
This your right.
Hello, how are you? Guyana, right?
Sorry?
You're from Guyana? No. I met you before in our last event.
That was Spanish.
No, you told me you are twins.
Yeah, that's Ghanaian.
You say you're from Caribbean, you told me, but and I asked you where in Caribbean, and you said Guyana.
No, Nicaragua.
Sorry, where are you from?
Nicaragua.
Sorry, I beg your pardon. I remember now. Yeah, I apologize. Yeah, enjoy yourself.
Once
Abacha, somewhere there.
I'll choose you and you're going back. What do you give to Gideon?